It's a new season. It feels like fresh legs today.
I'm mic'd up. I'm mic'd up.
Let's set the tone from the jump. Defense, set that tone. Set that tone.
Kicks it back out, Russell. Nice fake by Russell. Inside, Davis with the flush.
Attack, pace, get to the basket, make it plays. Don't let it score and take it away from you. Come on.
Clippers still in front. Now Gordon. Missed it. Westbrook. Oh, what a rebound. Another possession here. Finds Leonard for three. And the Clippers add to their lead.
Great pace, keep pushing that thing. Kick ahead, shoot the rock. Love it. Shoot that thing. Love it.
Takeaway by the Nets. They've scored the last 6 points. Bridges makes it 9 in a row.
Come on. But listen, it's up to y'all what y'all want to do.
Come on, defense on 3. 1, 2, 3. Finish the quarter, finish the quarter, finish the half. Come on.
Feeds inside. Bam Adebayo. No travel. Oh, he's in his straight jacket.
Oh! Oh!
Bounce back, get the next one.